All right, family. All right, welcome back to another edition of Like Yappa News. As you can tell, well, look at that. It's at 5:34 a.m. and the date is January 31st, 2021. Hey, I'm coming to you this early on the Sunday eve on the Sunday morning to let you know about what's going on. All right. As you can tell, we're going to get started. Goldman Sachs warns if short squeeze continues, the entire market could crash. Maybe that's exactly what's going on. Sorry about that. As you can tell, what happened on Friday, people are talking about this, the investors versus the retail investors versus the established investors. Pretty much, if you ain't seen what's going on, they tried to bet against GameStop and other stocks, and they shorted them, the big investors. But retail investors, that's everyday me and you people, got in there, stepped in there, and bit them up. And now they was on the hook for the establishment investors was on the hook for billions of dollars of losses. But they called their buddies in the SEC, and they started doing some shady stuff, and they stopped halting and they stopped trading on these stocks. All right, but this is them attempting to go ahead and say if this continues, the market will crash to scare folks. And maybe since we all know now that the market is rigged, if you don't know by now, the market is totally rigged. Maybe this could happen. Maybe we should see the real economy take effect. All right, instead of these billionaires, instead of all these people they rig the system so they can make money, but the ordinary common man doesn't even get to make money as much as they do. All right. So let's go ahead. That was from ZeroHedge.com, and then here we go again. Robinhood is now restricting trading on 50 stocks and is still limiting users to one share of GameStop. GameStop, all right. This is them trying to protect their big buddy hedge funds, their big buddy managers, all right. These hedge funds managers, these billionaires, they're trying to protect them from losses, all right. Because if you know anything about margin call, at the end of every trading day, there's a margin call, and there's no exceptions to it. If you don't see, go look the movie Trading Places, with Eddie Murphy and Dan Aykroyd. All right, got a bunch of good actors in there. Go watch that movie and go to the very end of the movie. All right, at the end of the trading session. All right, and see what the margin call is. All right, they want their money right then and right then down. They don't care. All right. So this is what's going on. They're limiting shares to one share of GameStop and limiting shares on other trades. All right. He tries to defend himself. The stock will go to the CEO. All right. And it's not just GameStop. Look at some of these new companies adding to the list of folks that they're trying to not do shares to. You see some cannabis stocks and all these other stuff. All right, trying to get people to stop them from buying into them. All right, to save their buddies from having these big margin calls. All right, and back to ZeroHedge.com. Reddit preparing to unleash world's biggest short squeeze in silver. All right, so with and I'll show you what's going on with silver market. This is Sunday, as I tell you, 'cause I got up early this morning, and even I tried to purchase some silver, and I'm in a holding pattern like most people who didn't get in on Friday or Saturday or yesterday Saturday. All right. So the same thing that happened on Friday is what's about to take place on Monday. All right. But if you get in on Monday, if you get in probably Sunday night, you probably get on Sunday night. You probably beat some of the rush. You get in there and get something before they shut it down again. All right. So they're preparing to blow up the biggest short squeeze in silver and run up the silver price. All right. All right. Now to back it up, what I've said about it, let me tell you what's going on. All right. All right. No. Okay. Then I'm sorry about that. That goes into the other topic we just covered. Silver prices surge as GameStop traders move into precious metals. All right. So they are moving into precious metals. They're running up the price of silver. All right. That was from mining.com. All right. Mining.com. All right. So here we go. I want you to look at the headline up there. Attention customers, due to increased order value, we're currently experiencing shipping delay of 5 to 10 days from cleared payment. All right. So from the time your payment is cleared, guess what? 5 to 10 days for they can start getting it out to you. All right. That was from Provident Metal. This ProvidentMetals.com. All right. All right. This is MX.com, American Precious Metal Exchange. All right. Look at the headline. Due to unprecedented demand on physical silver products, we're unable to accept any additional orders until markets open Sunday evening. All right. So when the Asian and European markets open up on Sunday evening, United States time, Sunday evening on the East Coast time, that's when they're gonna start getting opening precious metal. I think about 8:30 in the evening. That's when it starts. The Asian markets open up. All right, Asian and European markets open, and that's when it's going to start. I'm going to be in there looking as well, trying to get in where I can get in where I can. All right, and then the same thing with GM bullion. This is just I just wanted to show you three of the precious metal dealers that I look at online. All right, there's hundreds of them, reputable dealers, and this is all you're seeing going to be start seeing the same thing all over again. All right. Alrighty. And then now for our final story this evening, this address. All right, this evening for you, I want you to look at if you can, go do your research, go to bankrate.com and look at the list of bank failures. All right, there are hundreds of bank failures since 2009. All right, and the totals and total assets that that they lost into the millions. All right. So we skip down here. Let's start in 2009. See that right there where it says bank failures 2009. All right. And then total number of bank failures 511. All right. And this is a list of the deposit insurance into the millions of dollars. All right. All right. It goes on and on and on. All right. This is 2019. It may seem like it's small, but compared to what really happened beginning back and starting in 2000, these bank failures, it's it's hectic. All right. Keep going all the way down for a little bit, let you see 2017, 16, 15, 14, and everywhere else. All right. So you kind of get the big picture, family. This has been a special broadcast. I want to get the word out to you. I'll be posting this now just on the YouTube, on my Facebook page, and I'm gonna post it up on my LinkedIn page as well too. All right. So once again, I want to thank you for joining us. This is Melanie Economic News. Be safe out there. Take care of each other, family. All right. And once again, become your own best banker. All right. You are your own banker. You are your own savings and loans. You are your own credit union. You are your own best financier. Take control of each other. Take control of your finances. Get together with your community, get that barter system together, and then reach out to other communities, get a barter system together. All right. Once again, thank you for joining us. There's another edition of Melanie News. Let's get it started.